In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font size and colors in Godaddy to help your website stand out. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Log in using your email, Google, or Facebook account to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your account, locate Websites plus Marketing and find the website you want to edit. Edit Website to open the website builder. You'll now be inside the site editor, where you can customize the design and layout of your pages. To change text styling, click on the specific text block or section you want to modify. This could be a headline, paragraph, or call to action button. When you select the text, a formatting menu will appear. From here, you can adjust the font size to make the text larger or smaller. You can also change the font color to better match your brand or give your website a refreshed look. After making your changes, use the preview option to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make the updates live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully updated the font size and colors on your Godaddy website.